Hey, it's Roxanne, the spooky cat lady, and today we're going to take a look at this coloring book, Five Nights at Freddy's. Hopefully I'll be playing this game soon too. I got a copy for Christmas. Yay! Let's take a look inside. Alright guys, we've got Five Nights at Freddy's, the coloring book, so let's take a look inside. Well, here's the back cover. Interesting, Scholastic made it. It's curious that a lot of kids play this game, so I wonder how scary it actually is. Guess I'll find out. Alright, so here is the first page. Got some pattern stuff going on. Alrighty, so we got... I know nothing about the game yet because I haven't played it. I know he's like the main bear character thing, I think. Pizza background. So it looks like we're going to have a lot of repeating backgrounds in this one. And yeah, I'm never a fan of that, but cool. He's interesting. So of course this coloring book makes the game seem less scary to me. Coming out. Yeah, I bought the game for, well, I didn't buy it. Somebody else bought it for me for Christmas, for Switch. And if I can ever get my husband to stop playing games, maybe I'll get to play it. I did play my, my one game. It's cute. Hopefully it'll help me learn Japanese. Alrighty. Yeah, a lot of patterns in the backgrounds, but that's okay. We can work with that. I can always redraw the background if I wanted to. It looks interesting. Just kind of wanted to play a game that's scary because I am the spooky cat lady. And hopefully Five Nights at Freddy's is. So I was hoping for like a full kind of scene thing going on, but so far doesn't look like it. That'd be kind of interesting color to make it keep that going back kind of look. It might be fun. I guess they're into pizza. So I always thought that this was kind of turning like Chuck E. Cheese into horror, and it looks like I might be right. And there's that, what's it called, Wonderland or something? It has Nicolas Cage in it. We almost have a scene here. Kind of made me think of Five Nights at Freddy's. So I assume the game might be like that. Now, there is a lot of pages in here. A lot of pages. That, I think we already had. So we might have a lot of repeat pages. Oh, that one's kind of a scene. That's cool. Ooh, werewolf. This one is a scene, pretty much. Nice big double page scene there. And this one. But there are a lot of repeating elements. Interesting. So if you were thinking about buying this, now you know what's inside. I think my copy came from Target. Who's she? Oh, he'll be fun. I like that mouth. Cool. Wow, there's a ton of pages. but again, a lot of repeated elements, so that's probably why there's so many pages, because it's not like they were making new drawings for each page like I did with my coloring book. I made a new drawing each page, full scene, and it took forever. Pizza. So yeah, I saw a couple in here that I definitely want to color. Oh, that's interesting. Wonder what's happening there. Okay, interesting. I wonder if she is part of the game. That one's cool. Might have to do that one. And got bears everywhere. And the last page. So yep, that is the whole Five Nights at Freddy's coloring book, which I'm surprised so many young children like. But hey, maybe little kids are into horror. I was. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough my Five Nights at Freddy's, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!